Hello, hello. Yeah. Hi, sir. This is Krisha from PTI.
Hi, Krisha.
Hello. I just wanted to ask you that as we have seen for the past 1 year and more that the movies haven't been performing so good at the box office other than if we say Pathan or now the Kerala Story. So do you think this movie will be able to impress the audience and make it to your hit list?
आप बताइए आपको क्या लग रहा है So I'll tell you what, you know, ये हमेशा एक question आता है, but these films have built us. All the films that we've made are stories like I was telling ma'am about the middle class, right? Which is India, you know, which is, so there is, this film really caters to a family. Why this couple is getting divorced, we will ask them later, is a very, very complicated question because we've not shown that. What is the family's role in the divorce? We don't know. So, and when you leave this film, I promise you, you will go home and hug your family. That is my guarantee. So if you feel that's a feeling, and I feel 2-2.5 साल से ऐसी कोई पिक्चर आई नहीं है जिसमें आप पूरे खानदान में साथ बैठ के क्लीन पिक्चर देख सकते हैं जैसे लक्ष्मण बनाते हैं उन्होंने लुका छुपी और मतलब ऑल माई आंटीज वेंट क्रेजी आफ्टर लुका छुपी यू नो एंड मतलब मेरी नानी ने मुझे फ़ोन करके बोला था उनको मिम्मी बड़ी पसंद आई है तो मैंने उन्हें ये ट्रेलर भेजा था तो शी कॉल्ड एंड आस्क्ड मी कि पापा इसका डिवोर्स क्यों हो रहा है तो मैंने बोला आपको थिएटर आना पड़ेगा सो इफ यू थिंक दैट क्वेश्चन इज एक्साइटिंग फॉर यू देन यू विल कम टू द थिएटर बट आई होप वी make films like this run and that's the question because it's very easy to put it on digital and give it home but एक साथ में पूरे थिएटर में बैठ के ऐसे बात करने में इतना मजा आता है तो अगर आप ये पिक्चर देखिए तो ये बहुत हंसाएगी आपको it will really really make you laugh so if you're up for a laugh and you're up for a big cry come
Vicky here.
Hello.
क्या हाल चाल भाई?
All good, sir.
After a long gap, you know.
Yeah.
So good to see you. Trailer looks seriously very amazing. You know, वो nuances नजर आ रहे हैं. अगर आप किचन भी देखें, इतनी डिटेलिंग करी गई है कि कहाँ चूल्हा रखा होता है.
Subudha, please stand, sir. Subudha is our production designer and one of the leading production designers in the country, if not the one. But love you, sir.
It looks so real in a real space, you know. आप दोनों की पहली बार केमिस्ट्री ऑन स्क्रीन बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. कॉमेडी इज अ वेरी सीरियस जॉब टू डू. और जिस तरह का सिनेमा आप करते आए हैं, बहुत अलग तरह का मुख्तलिफ सिनेमा और बहुत कामयाब सिनेमा किया है आपने. कॉमेडी के बारे में उसको मैनेज करना, टाइमिंग को मैनेज करना, उसके लिए क्या खास किया आपने? व्हाट वाज द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग पार्ट व्हाइल डूइंग द कॉमेडी पार्ट इन द प्रोजेक्ट?
I think first and foremost मुझे लक्ष्मण सर के साथ ट्यूनिंग करनी थी कि उनके साथ कि वो किस तरीके का ह्यूमर देख रहे हैं बिकॉज इट्स नॉट द लाफ आउट लाउड इन दैट सेंस काइंड ऑफ स्लैपस्टिक कॉमेडी गोइंग ऑन बड़ी सिचुएशनल है और जो सिचुएशन से कॉमेडी आती है नॉट नेसेसरीली जो किरदार है उनके लिए कॉमेडी चल रही है तो उसमें आई थिंक द ब्रीफ दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम लक्ष्मण सर की कोशिश मत करना बस उस सीन को सच्चाई से जी लो उस किरदार को सच्चाई से जी लो आई थिंक वो कॉमेडी अपने आप आ जाएगी जितनी आनी चाहिए सो हमने साथ में मिलकर वही कोशिश किया था कि जो सीन का जो मोमेंट की सच्चाई है उसको हम जिए और होपफुली जिस सीन्स में वो थोड़ा सा ह्यूमर वाला एक एलिमेंट आना चाहिए वो आप तक लैंड करेगा.
Hi.
Dinesh sir.
Hello. So basically, I'm sorry, I'm going to take a little bit of time. Before the question, I want to say something. I think most of us will say that. किसी ने बोला कि middle class has not been respected or whatever, but I come from a middle class family and I loved the trailer. जो चीजें हमने देखी है, I'm pretty sure we were all laughing and celebrating it because in your movies we have seen a good representation of the middle class. Which is why it caters to us and our families, our moms, dads, everybody. So kudos to you guys on that. I love it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And my question is to Dinu. Dinu, if you see your filmography, most of your films actually cater to the B and C centers, which are considered B and C centers in trade. किसी ने सवाल पूछा यहाँ पे that most of the movies are not working. If you see, whenever a movie has catered to B and C centers and B and C center people have gone and watched the movie, it has become a blockbuster or a super hit. Mimi was a film which everybody said in the trade that should have released in cinemas because it would have done wonders. Stree has done wonders. Luka Chupi has done wonders. I want to ask you that is it a conscious move when you take up stories like that to cater to the hinterland because there are very few films that actually are a good mix of comedy and emotions which cater to the hinterland?
You know, when I started, we started with the love stories, right? We did Cocktail, we did Love Aajkal. But my demographic and where I come from is very, very, very middle class. So in that sense, when we made a film called Hindi Medium, and that got so much love from all of you and that translated, I realized India's changed. India for cinemas live in BNC. They are the A center for us right now. And if you cater to them, the amount of love they'll give you is what my entire company has been built on. So the conscious decision is not just mine. If you look at the amount of directors we have, they're not from Bombay also. They're from all over India, and they've come like me with, you know, no real connect in the business, but a passion to tell stories. So whether it's Amar, who's a forest ranger's son, whether it's Lakshman Uttekar, who came in with, whether it's Sriram Raghavan, whether it's, you know, and there's a whole bunch, we're launching 4 more directors. So I think outside of India and within India, there are so many relatable stories. I'll take a minute of your time and tell you, you were asking about comedy, right? So the first scene of the film is they sleep in the living room. So they have no, in a way, that's one of the reasons, maybe, I'm not sure, maybe that's what got them divorced in the film. And it's their 2nd wedding anniversary, and they've come home and got a tutti frutti cake. And the whole family is hyper excited about this cake and are licking their fingers and eating it, till a small kid says, कि ये बिंदी तो लाल वाली है. Now there you see a Punjaban family and what happens, Vicky? आप बताओ उसके बाद क्या होता है? क्या भसोड़ होता है फैमिली में, कॉमेडी में?
फिर कुछ नहीं, एक वेजिटेरियन हाँ फैमिली में ये बच्चा छोटा सा एक दे देता है कि इसमें तो एग है, और फिर जो होता है दैट इज बच्चे ने तो बम फोड़ दिया कि इसमें तो एग है, और उसके बाद जो पूरी फैमिली में भसड़ मचती है कि एग है कि नहीं है, उसमें एक उंगली जो ऑलरेडी अंदर थी वो किसी का धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाता है, कोई यहाँ चला जाता है, कोई वहां चला जाता है, उसमें वो हम भूल जाते हैं कि ये केक में एग था कि नहीं था. उसमें फिर अलग ही इनके पिछले आगे फ्यूचर सब निकल आते हैं, पर मुद्दा शुरू हुआ था एग, केक में एग है कि नहीं है. तो इस तरीके के मोमेंट्स.
So if you get into an argument in the family and if you have lots of family members, after 10 minutes why you started the argument, nobody knows. Nobody knows कि ये कहाँ चालू हुआ था और कहाँ पहुंच गया. It's gone to the mother, the father, the uncle,
and the deepest issues come out. शुरुआत जो केक में अंडा है कि नहीं है उससे शुरू हुई थी, but the deepest issues come out कि अरे तुमने पिछले साल जो बोला था वो सब निकल आता है बाहर.
So that is this film.